So today we're going to be looking at a word problem using subtraction, and we are going to be using our base 10 chart, our base 10 blocks, and a linear model. So our word problem is Sally loves grapes. She counted out that she has 62 total grapes. One afternoon she ate 44 grapes. How many grapes does she have left to eat? So if she has 62 and she ate 44, we need to find out how many she has left. So we do 62 minus 44. And these are both whole numbers. So we're using whole numbers to use for our math problem, our word problem. Okay, so if we have 62, we start by using our tens blocks, or our tens rods. So there, on this rod there are 10. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we need to count out 2 ones. So we use our units. So we have 1, 2. But to subtract 44 from 62, we would need to regroup one of our 10s to the ones, because a group of 10 ones regrouped would make 10. And we can't subtract 2 minus 4. So what we have to do is take out, we have to regroup one of our 10s rods to our ones place. So we count out 10 of the ones units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So once we get to 10, we know that 10 of these units is equal to 1 of these rods. So we can take it out, and now we have 10 units plus the 2 original units. So that makes, we have 12 units now. So if we want to take away 4, we can now take away 4. So we take 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to take 4 away from our 10s, we take 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are left with 1 10s rod and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So 10 and 8 would be 18. So now we have the answer to our word problem. 62 minus 44 equals 18. So another way to show this would be to use a linear model. So how we do this is we start with our number 62. So we have 62. And then we want to take away 44, but an easier way to start would be to take 2 away, so that we're working with a more familiar number like 60. So we're going to take 2 away and jump back to 60. So then next we need to take away another familiar number like 10. So we're going to take 10 away. We will jump back 10, and get to 50, because 60 minus 10 is 50. And then, so that's 12, and we're trying to get to 44. So we want to jump back another 10, where we have 40. So that's another 10. So 10, 20, 22. We still need 22 more. So we jump back another 10. So 40 minus 10 would be 30. So 10, 20, 30, 32. Still missing 12. So we take away another 10 and we have 20. So now we have taken away 10, 20, 30, 40, 42. So we need to take away 2 more. So we take away minus 2 and we have 20 minus 2 would be 18. And that's our final answer. So we have taken 44 away from 62 by starting at 62 and jumping back a total of 44. So these are 2 different ways you can start with a word problem and use it to get to your answer of 18. But also, what's important to know is that if you have 18 and 44 and you add those, so 18 plus 44 is 62. So it's important to know that subtracting and addition are related, because if you have 18, so we have, right now we have 8 ones and 1 unit. So to do that, we would want to break up, or we have 18 and we want to add 44. So what we would do we would add 4 tens and 4 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we want to add 4 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. But now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones, we can regroup these units to make 1 rod. So we are regrouping a group of 10 ones. So we're going to regroup these 10 ones to make a group of 10, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens and 2 ones, which is 62. So that would be 18 plus 44 equals 62.